Okay, so it's time for math. But before we start math, I just want to let all of you know that I'm going to post a video showing you how to use the voice record action through our Seesaw app. If you watched or listened to me read the Toy Story 2 Friends Forever story, I had asked for you to use Seesaw to record either a video or take a picture or draw a picture and record your voice telling me who your favorite character was in the story. So I will go ahead and post that tutorial after I post your math video. Okay, so we were introduced yesterday to the number 25. So remember, 25 is the 2 and the 5. And today we are going to work on counting and coloring. So we're going to count 25 trees on our page, and we're going to color those 25 trees. Okay, and then down here, you're going to go ahead and count the number of trees and write the number here, and then again count this group of trees and write it here. Okay, and then on the back it says fun with numbers, so this is all about 25. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you 25 using 10 frames. Okay, so remember last week when we did 24, we needed to use to have a 30 frame. So I'm gonna make 3 10 frames so that we have our 30 frame. Okay, so I have my first 10 frame, and I'm gonna get my second 10 frame. And then my last 10 frame, my third 10 frame. Okay, so that means I have 30 squares in total. Okay, but I only want to fill out and show 25. So remember, 25 is a 2 and the 5. My 2 looks a little bit funny. That's a little bit better. Okay, so 25 is 2 and a 5 that stand together. Remember, 25 is a double-digit number. Okay, so 25 is a double-digit number. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and fill out 25 in our 30 frame, or in our 3 10 frames. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so if you had your own 10 frames, or if you saw 3 10 frames that look like this, then it's going to be, the total is going to be 25. So then let's break it down. So when we see the first 10 frame, how many, just in this one here, so not looking at these two, how many dots do I have? Okay, so we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so Miss Lila's going to write a 10 here. Okay, so if I have 10 in this group, how many do I have here? Because it looks the exact same, has the same amount of dots. So let's count. If we don't know, we always count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 again. So I'm going to write 10. Okay. And then our last 10 frame, how many are there? So it doesn't look the same as the first two. So that means it's going to be a different number. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I only have 5 there. Okay, so 10, 10, and 5. So that means if I'm looking at it from the addition, or if we're trying to do plus, then it's going to be 10 plus 10 plus 5 equals 25. Okay? So you can go ahead and start your work. Remember, we're counting and coloring 25 trees, and then we're going to count this group and write the total, count the second group and write the total, and then on the back it's all about the number 25. So you're gonna search and circle the number 25s here. Here you're gonna trace your 25. You're gonna count how many snails there are, and that's perfect because since it's been rainy, there's been a lot of snails by Miss Lila's house. So this worksheet is perfect. But yeah, so you're going to count the number of snails, and then you're going to circle the correct number. So is it 15 snails, is it 25 snails, or is it 5 snails? And then here you're going to count up and fill in the blank, and then here you're going to count down and fill in the blank. Okay? And again, when you're done with that, then you can go ahead and snap a picture of it, and then send it on over to Miss Lila. There is going to be a meeting at 2:30 again for Zoom, so that's going to be our afternoon prayer. And remember, before we do our afternoon prayer, we will, for those of you who do make it to our 2:30 Zoom meeting, we will have our baby pictures, our favorite baby pictures of ourselves to share with everybody else. Okay, so make sure when you're done with your work that you find your favorite baby picture, or favorite picture of yourself really, and bring it to our 2:30 Zoom meeting so that we can share those baby pictures for our friends. Okay, so I'll see you at 2:30.